TenderPro Resources is also designed to help provide teachers with resources that gives you, the teacher, more time to teach in classroom and also to drive more learner participation and learner engagement during your lesson. One of these examples is where TenderPro Resources includes simple introductions on topics, in this instance vertical projectile motion in one dimension. And to access this particular resource, you would simply need to look out for the download button. When you click on the download button, the next thing you will see is a presentation in PDF format where the lesson is then presented. So as I've mentioned, you can see that you have a simple introduction as to what a projectile is, and so the lesson continues with other similar topics, but to explain vertical projectile motion, you would also have access to a video, which, as always explained in the previous slide, videos will help learners to understand a concept in greater detail and greater understanding. So if you click on this particular resource, you will then access the video, which then explains the concept in a bit more detail. I will quickly play this video for you.
Discuss vertical motion.
He knows a lot about the science stuff, Professor Dave explains.
We have familiarized ourselves with position, velocity, and acceleration, as well as the kinematic equations that govern the relationship between these parameters.
So as you can see, colleagues, the video resource then supports the lesson introduction, which is over here, and you can also use the video to then drive more participation in classroom. And another way of also driving learner participation in classroom is once you've introduced the topic, shown the video, you can then also take a questionnaire inside the classroom where learners can have a go at answering the questions, which then drives more engagement so that learners is also participating in your lesson, but it will also give you a sense to understand as to what your learners' comprehension is with regards to the physical science lesson that's been presented in the classroom.